All right, so if your Motorola phone suddenly goes unresponsive, the screen's either totally black or nothing works, you can force restart it. Depending on your phone and the software version, there's a couple ways to do that. Usually, you would locate the power button on the side and then just press and hold the power button and keep holding it for a full 10 to 20 seconds. Don't let go if you see the power menu appear on the screen. Wait for that Motorola M logo to flash on the screen, and then you can release the button. That's when the phone is successfully restarting. So most phones, holding down the power button alone will do it. But if you've been holding the button down for 30 seconds or more and nothing's happening, that usually means your specific model or software version requires a secondary button to be involved. So what you'll do is hold down the power button together with the volume down button. And same thing again, just keep holding them. If you see something like a screenshot get triggered or something else, just ignore that and continue to hold down the buttons, and that'll restart the phone. On my phone model, this triggers the Fastboot Flash Mode, which is kind of a maintenance mode designed for unbricking dead devices, etc. I can just tap Start here with the side button, and my phone will restart normally. But if that first single button trick didn't work for you, this two-button combo would usually just restart the phone without showing that Fastboot Flash Mode menu. Anyways, that's how you force restart a Motorola phone. Click that like button if this video helped you, and subscribe for more. Thanks all. Until next time.